Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel Rider Nada Moto Diaries. Today is day 11 and we will be riding to Munnar from Kochi. Today, most part of the ride was through the city road, and it turned out to be one of the boring ride as people were crossing haphazardly and some used to stop their vehicles without signaling. Once out of this route, we came across two waterfalls and we were hardly 18 kilometers away from Munnar. Again, today it was to be an awesome day as we were heading to a place which we have only heard about. So we are heading towards Munnar, the place covered with tea estates. This place was fun to see on screen, but now it will be fun to see it practically. But before that, Matin had to change the engine oil for his Bullet, so we headed towards a Royal Enfield service center. When we reached there, it was not open for the day. Upon enquiring, we found out that it was Sunday, so the service center is closed. And we were looking at each other's face asking, is it Sunday today? As we were not aware because we were on a ride and every day was a Sunday for us. So we continued from there. But the route didn't seem as there were no tea plantations visible yet. As we approached closer, the plantations were visible. It was afternoon by now, so we found a hotel and unloaded our bags and then went for lunch. It took a while there. Then we planned to go to Eravaikulam National Park, and by the time we reached there it was closed. So we decided that tomorrow morning before leaving we will come here. On the way decided to visit the tea museum, and it was the best decision we took. And minutes before the ticket counter closes, we arrived there, got our tickets, which was 125 rupees per person. Once inside, they showed us a movie on how the tea plantation in Munnar came into existence. This was really informative. So cleared one of my doubt, as I came across many Tamil speaking people in Munnar, while the local language there was Malayalam. And through this movie I came to know that the British people had brought people from Tamil Nadu to convert these barren mountains into tea plantations, and some of them remained here. It was these people who converted this place into a tea estate, and they used to work here plucking tea leaves and constructed a railway line during earlier times. After this movie, we were taken through several processes of tea powder preparation, and a good information regarding various type of tea like green tea, white tea was given. Two main info which I liked was, if the green tea tastes bitter, then it is not prepared properly. It should not taste bitter. Also, it should not be taken too much in a day, or else it could affect the kidney and other harmful effects. And the other one was, boiling the tea powder too much will only overcook it and will not add more flavor. After this we had a cup of tea and went to a shop which is at the ground floor, which has varieties of tea and souvenirs. It was time to close, so we came out. We chatted with some security guard there. They were saying that sometimes wild elephants enter this place and we have to be careful even at nights. It was already dark, and on the way we saw a pizza store. We went there for dinner, had some good pizza and barbecue chicken wings. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching my vlog. Meet you in the next vlog the next day. Till then, it's a bye bye from Rider Nadar. Let's ride.